straighten it back up. Let it straighten it back up. I'm not happy to get mine.
What's going on YouTube? Landon Huffman here, back with another video. It is Sunday after race day, so you guys will have already seen the race day vlog. And today we're going to unload what's left of our race car and work on starting to tear it apart, show you guys all the damage, and kind of see where we're at as far as moving forward. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching this video, clicking on this upload, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it.
Will that help?
Worth a shot. It'd be harder to push, but if we can at least just get it past there, we can.
Seth, can you please explain our current situation?
We're fucked.
We're stuck in the trailer.
It's not good, boys. Well, here's some aftermath from yesterday. So she's pretty much killed in all shape or form. Just take a look at that shock and spring and spindle and front clip, and every other thing on this race car is destroyed.
But I think his was cosmetic.
By God, our right recorder's still all right though.
Well, we got the whole fucking field.
Push it easy.
You're gonna be on the sway bar arm and all that shit, which doesn't matter, but just gotta make sure that.
Here, we'll do it this way. If I move it too far, if you don't want to flip that up.
It did.
Ain't going to.
Let it go, RJ. Let it down. What else do we have to lose?
Are you recording?
Well, yeah.
Oh.
All right, let's see what happens.
Well, it's on it. That don't mean it's gonna roll.
Like, use your foot to roll the wood.
That ain't gonna happen.
Is it rolling off of it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh. All right. Well, JV was down here for 30 seconds and found us a dolly.
JV saved the day.
Yeah, saved the day. So we got it back in here, jacked the ass up, put it in the hole, and start tearing it apart.
All JV did was come prove we're a bunch of dumbasses.
Yeah. So just to let you guys know, we have we're pretty much out of money at this point. 5 weeks in. So I'm gonna probably auction this door off, and all proceeds are gonna go to fixing everything that I've destroyed this week. I also have a right front fender that I'm gonna do the same with. I'll sign it and include a shirt and some other stuff. I think I can reuse that door, but right front fender for sure. Moonhead took our left front fender, and I think he's hanging it up. I wrote on it, "To Travis, don't ever come back." Is it right now? Dig. All right. Is it thing moving, RJ? All right, so we're making some slight progress here. I believe the nose is actually salvageable. There's a lot that isn't, so working on getting this fender off. I gotta go get a 1-inch socket because I believe we left mine in Jason's car, or Jason's trailer. Doing a good job, RJ.
Thank you.
Man, that's cool. Probably who?
This is what I'm talking about here. The shock rod is gone, like the shock shaft. It just sheared it off at the bottom and bent the shock all to hell. It's not supposed to look like that. Bye, Seth.
I was at the racetrack earlier yesterday, RJ. So
Listen, this is a situation.
Yeah.
Flynn, this is
Motherfucker there.
yeah, and then I was a second.
this is a situation. See, Flynn got here late,
Oh, don't blame that shit on me.
and now Seth's leaving. So bye, Seth. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, man.
You did a very good job. Okay. Also, yes, Flynn is here late, but that's okay. He brought a cooler. And here is here's our door, left side door. So I got to figure out how I'm going to auction this off. If I do it on eBay or I don't know how I want to do it, but I guess let me know in the comments how you guys think I should do this in order to help us pay for the clip for that thing, because we need it. So keep me updated. Let me know. Should it go on eBay as an auction? Should I figure out how to do an auction on our Windshield Deep store? Could do it on Facebook as a comment auction. I don't know. Let me know. But Flynn is here. Do you have beer, Flynn?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Beer in the cooler, and we're making progress. The second broken drill bit. Look, they're gonna run me out of house and home.
It's my first one.
That was my good one.
I snapped her good.
That was my good one.
If we had some damn good rivets.
All right, this is what I was talking about. Well, first of all, when I took it apart, it like exploded, and I wasn't recording. But there's also, look at all this shit laying. I guess that all came out of the shock. But check this out. The shaft just sheared right off. So this was still in there, and this was up top, and the spring was just holding it all together.
So there's a metal rod that goes between that, this big shaft there to that part right there.
Man, I have no idea where it's at.
Gone. Sheared right off. It's probably still on the racetrack.
Probably either in the racetrack or in somebody's side window.
Or in the back of the cleanup truck.
Yeah. RJ, what just happened?
I broke another drill bit.
He broke another drill
A
bit.
bigger one this time. Well, I mean, look at these all. Look, I mean, look.
Yeah, you still use it.
That's exactly what happens when you look like this.
Yeah, you're shredded, dog.
Okay.
All 90 pounds.
Okay, 120.
It moved over. Brakes are off over. At least the front brakes. RJ, walk us through our progress here. What all have we accomplished?
Well, a lot. We've got both doors off, side skirts off, rockers off, both sides. Got the nose off, radiator out. We're working on the sway bar arms right now. We're going to take the sway bar out. We're trying to come up with a game plan for the greenhouse. Not quite sure how we're going to accomplish that.
Good progress.
Yeah.
So here, it's kind of hard to tell from this, but as you can see, the snout is shifted this way and bent, and the gauges and stuff were all where they climbed up on top of me and knocked all the dash out. So the greenhouse is going to have to come off to fix all that anyways. We're just trying to figure out a game plan on that, but taking the sway bar out of it now. Gotta get all these tie rods off of it. Decide what we're going to do with the spindles. I think this left front spindle is actually okay. I don't believe it hurt it at all. But yeah, the ball joint's bent. The right front spindle, the control arm on it is bent. So I don't know if we can fix that. And then I'm not sure on the hubs. I mean, they don't look like they're broke, but I'd hate for a damn hub to break after we got it put back together. He's been a hole in the floor. All right, we're about finished. We've pretty much got everything off the front end, but Jason's here, so we're gonna go in here and get the cherry picker and get the engine out, and then we'll be done for the day. Drive it to a text
Yeah,
shed.
it should. We can bring it on up a little bit.
Tell me when.
Stop.
Ease her out now.
Yeah, come on back a little. Come on back. Oh, you're gonna reel it. All right, now come on up.
All right, this is where we're stopping for the night. Motor's out. Put air over here. Transmission, all that stuff's out of it. So now you guys should be able to see how bent it actually is. She is pretty bent. Now in theory, with me hitting the wall like I did, it should have bent the clip this way, but I think the reason it pushed everything that way is because I got hit so hard in the left front. And that's what done all the damage. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Got a lot done today. Really didn't expect to do all that on Sunday, but we knocked it out, so that's a step forward. We'll have the car at the chassis shop at some point. But thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.